Hello, welcome to Mr. CFD Geometry Drawing and Mesh Creation training video. In this training video, I wanna teach you how you can draw the geometry and how you can create the mesh of this project. At first, open the ANSYS Workbench software and double-click on the geometry under the Component Systems list, then right-click on the geometry and click on the New Space Claim. Okay, now click on the Z-axis, then just draw a rectangle using Rectangle Tool Sketch with these dimensions. Note that you can switch between the dimensions of this sketch while drawing with the keyboard tab key so that you can measure both length and width. Now I wanna specify the dimensions. And then create a line with these dimensions, 90 degree and 26 millimeter from this reference line, 21 millimeter I mean. Another line, it's a triangle. Okay, now just click on this triangle and then copy, then using Ctrl and V on your keyboard, paste this triangle, then using move tool, move this triangle in X direction with this measure, specify the measure, actually specify the distance between these two. Also make another copy, again move this copy in X direction, do the same. .24 millimeter for the distance. This can be seen. Another triangle. Actually, these triangles make your body rough. You will be seeing. another one, and actually the last one. Using the combine tool, first click on the rectangle and then on the triangle. With this method, the triangle and the rectangle are separated, and then right click on the triangle and hit delete to subtract from the rectangle. Do this for all these triangles. Second triangle. Just delete it. Third triangle. You see? This and this and this. Also this and delete all of these. Okay. For the last step here, I just want to show you how you can save your geometry. Here, gonna specify the type, actually format, and then return to the Workbench software and double click on the mesh under the component systems to create the mesh block, and then double click on the mesh in mesh block to open ANSYS meshing software. Here, click on the mesh, set the physics preference to CFD, and then click on the generate. Actually, in this state, ANSYS meshing software create the mesh that it's recognized for this geometry. Here, change the element size, also quality, change the quality to high, then click on generate. As can be seen, the mesh is still coarse. I use the sizing tool to make it smaller. Okay. Now you have to specify the name for the boundaries by clicking on them, right click on them actually, and choose create name selection. Follow my cursor point for all these triangles, this edge and this edge. Here, zoom, and then with single select tool. Note that if you want to have several choices, you must hold the Control key from the keyboard. In the last step, you must export the mesh file for Fluent software. You specify the name and path and then click on the Save. To benefit from Mr. CFD services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mr-cfd.com. Contact us via info@mr-cfd.com.